Welcome back. So today we're discussing the mental realm, and we are discussing it in conjunction to the division of the mental realm in terms of the software, quote unquote. So we're discussing the subconscious mind and the conscious mind, how they play together in the creation of our perceived reality, and how also they correlate with consciousness and our created physical universe. So do enjoy. So obviously, as you see from this diagram, the red triangle facing up is the rudimentary symbol of the representation of the masculine symbol. Obviously, this is seen in our military, police force, the world. This obviously ancient rudimentary triangle or symbol is representative of the phallic symbol, or you can say the male genitalia. So this triangle facing upward, this is the masculine principle, or you can say fire. It's also masculine principle. This is the active masculine principle. This is the principle within us that allows us to take action, to take initiative. This is the principle, so the principle of masculine. So this is our conscious mind as well. So the conscious mind, or conscious ego mind, or what you can say also the canal mind. This is the canal mind represented by the masculine principle. Or also you can say this is the left brain. If now you're dividing the cerebral or the neocortex, as it has two hemispheres, the left brain is the masculine principle, right? And then now we also look at the triangle facing down. So this symbol, from ancient times, was representative of the feminine principle. This symbol also represents, or it symbolizes water. It symbolizes the womb of creation. The womb of creation. So this also symbolizes the feminine genitalia, right? And then also, as I said, it symbolizes water. So this symbolizes the subconscious mind. This symbol also symbolizes, you can say, the right brain. Again, when you looking at the two hemispheres of the neocortex or the cerebrum, so this is the right brain. So obviously both of these triangle, when they come together, now this is a balanced mind, or balanced individual, you can say, because now we're talking individual consciousness here. So this is the individual balanced mind. And also we can say from this conscious mind, this is where we get thoughts, because the conscious mind is responsible for executive functions of higher order thinking, decision making, choices. All of that discrimination takes place here. Even though 95 or 90% of our everyday actions, which are recorded in our habit, our mannerism, are from our subconscious mind. So meaning your day-to-day is not ran by your conscious mind. The conscious mind does, let's say, you can say 10% of that job to run your day-to-day life. But your day-to-day life is run by the subconscious mind. Your mannerism, your behavior, your reactions, the way you act, how you are, how you feel, all those things, because most of the time your day-to-day living is sort of a routine. It's something that you already learned and your subconscious mind already knows it, and therefore it plays it back to you. So when you are doing whatever that you're doing during the day, you'd notice that most of the things that you're doing, although at some point during the day you will have to make a decision, you'll have to make a choice, but in between those decisions and choices, it is just automatic. You sort of innately knowing how to act and behave because of the built-in behavioral pattern that the subconscious mind has learned from the conscious mind. So the subconscious mind is who you are. This is a quote by Neville Goddard. The subconscious mind is who you are, and the conscious mind is what you know.